Hi.
Hello. So welcome to the what's the name of our show again?
What do I know?
So yeah, babe, do I know?
Yeah, well, you know it when you see the
Blah 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 blah.
the title of the channel.
Whatever.
Yeah.
So basically, we'll be doing this food video today, obviously. So we ordered some food from Uber Eats. I think the restaurant is called like
City
the
Dhaba?
City Dhaba. Yeah, they're really pretty cheap, I guess. Like,
But first of all,
takeaway.
no. Keep that food aside. Keep the nice, tasty food aside. People need to know your cooking skills first.
No.
Now, first of all, I made this. I know this looks like poop. It's basically, well, it's kind of like that itself. It's basically what do you call these grains?
Legumes.
Legumes. First of all, I'm sure everyone know what hash brown is. So she tried making hash browns, and I don't know if you can see this, but this is the result. And if you remember 2017, like during the old goose session, like look at this.
Come on, it isn't that bad. It tastes good enough.
Wait, have you tried tasting it?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at
See,
this.
Sandy likes it.
The dogs. So look at the texture. It's reminiscent of this what do you call that word again? Delicacy. Back when you were a kid in kindergarten. It's called snot. The texture is very rubber. It's very reminiscent of snot.
Now stop it.
It's not even fucking cooked.
Okay, so back to what we were doing. Let's put this aside. Thank you.
More like down where it belongs.
Come on. Everyone likes my food. Sometimes you have disasters. Yeah. So, coming back to our food. Okay, this makes me sad.
That's really does make me sad. We were like praising like, yeah, it's a cheap restaurant. It's really good.
Yeah, but okay. Let's move on to this. So, what we have here is supposed to be a chicken keema roll. Naan, sorry. So,
Keema Naan.
it's a naan, not a naam. Okay, so basically a keema is something when you like literally shred out pieces of meat and cook it. It's called the keema. And naan is sort of a bread, Indian bread obviously.
Indian bread. Desi made in India. Prime Minister Modi approved.
Okay, whatever, jokes aside. So it basically looks like this. Did you order two by any chance?
Nah, I don't know.
You liar! Okay, whatever.
Maybe they just added another
So-
one because we're such a great customers.
Very funny. So for 52 rupees you get two naan, which is like roasted, usually oil free, and
Usually.
it doesn't have oil, okay? And it has like chicken keema inside it, which is like shredded chicken, onions, coriander, parsley. So I'm going to start it.
This isn't gourmet.
But I love it.
You eat it like, like it's some sort of gourmet food.
Whatever. Now start eating. Then.
What I like to do is just like fold it in half and take just big chunks of chunk. Like
Chunks. Yours just.
it has a very like. It's like. I don't know. This is our first video, as you can see. This is very bad a way of us describing what food tastes like.
Okay. So basically, this tastes like
Chicken and bread.
shredded chicken stuffed in bread, which is not very bready. Kind of like
It's chewy and soft.
yeah.
It's kind of soggy, but in a good way, as it's kind of like soaked up all the flavor from the chicken. There's bits and pieces of like chili as well, and white onions.
It's actually pink onions, but they have been caramelized so long.
Okay. When you can't afford white onions, you go pink.
Man, white onion does not. Maybe I don't know. I'm not that good at chicken, food chicken.
What are you even saying?
I'm saying the white onions do not grow in this part of the world.
Don't say it with your mouth full. We have viewers that's listening to us. They are watching us for our opinions. And you're like,
Okay.
actually looks nice.
Mm-hmm.
Show
So what we have here is a duck in coconut curry. We have got 4 pieces for like what? 22? 22. Indian rupees.
Yeah, it was in discount, 40% off.
Yeah. So what we have is a duck with coconut curry because like it's the season of Bhugali week one for like I'm Assamese, right? So for us it's like your New Year doesn't start unless you have duck meat. Tara! We don't have it with coconut curry though, we just have it with like more lighter ingredients. The soup we make is like kind of like lighter, softer, more fragrant, but Tara, moment of truth, it isn't home, so we have to make this. Let's see how it tastes.
Basically,
Don't we have a spoon?
like here's the funny thing about India. Like when you think Indian curry, it's always orange, right?
Eh,
Like orange.
Come on, it's not always like that.
It's part of the national flag too.
It's saffron. Oops. Okay.
We eat so much I'm like, this is not a diss against India or anything since I am Indian. But I'm just saying.
You should taste it at the. Stop talking. Eat.
To be honest, this tastes like normal curry.
No, it's tasted.
Oh. Wait, give me another spoonful.
Can you feel it?
Yeah.
The gravy, it's like normal
It's not.
curry.
It's no. It's not like normal curry. The curry is like curry, like you said.
Honestly, it's a curry.
But there's like this very
Mild.
soggy, powdery. No.
That's coconut powder.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So you get this like very coconutty. You got it has coconut shavings in it.
Obviously.
So you
Coconut.
get it. Coconut.
Yeah, cocoon.
Come on, coconut. Whatever. Narikol.
Narikol. Like people from around the world will understand narikol.
Thought that I said coconut before. So whatever. So basically, it's very coconutty. You get this coconut. There's a coconut explosion in your mouth, and the curry it's not overpowering or too spicy. People like me, like I can't have too spicy for instance. It makes my eyes water, nose water, mouth water. It makes me sad.
I'm the opposite.
Whatever. So I like it mild, refined. This is just it. It's a bit sweet. It's salty. It's a bit spicy. You have the curry's aroma and this coconut explosion. It's so good. Yeah. This is it. Let's go on to the duck pieces now. What?
You should do this. Let me do it for you. Come here.
Okay.
Like it soaks up all the nut. The bread gives it that nice texture of chewiness. At the same time, the gravy is like very mild. It's not overpowering, like you said. Our daughter is crying. I don't know if you can hear the cat voice, but like, wow.
Meow.
Meow.
Let's taste the duck now. Okay, I'm having high expectations.
Very high expectations.
Very, very.
She's a duck eater. I don't eat that much duck. This is probably the second time in my life I'm eating ducks. How many pieces was it again?
4 pieces of ducky.
Oh, ducky. Quack quack.
Quack, quack. Okay. I'm a very messy eater. Hope you don't mind. Even if I made it, okay.
What's this fucking place that you let's eat it, would you? disappointed?
I love it.
You love it? You should wipe your fucking mouth. Messy eater indeed. What that means is most people are going to cringe seeing this, but whatever.
I love it. It's exactly what the duck should do.
Define what exactly a duck should be like.
The skin, it's kind of rubbery, but also soft. It's not too fatty that like sticks to the upper portion of your palate and then makes you like, is something stuck in there?
Are you sure it's 4 pieces? Because I'm only finding another one here.
Maybe the others are small pieces.
Yeah, like where? Where is it?
Okay, they
Is
didn't
it
give us
4?
They gave us only 2 pieces.
I'm going to give 1 out of 5 rating. They lied to me.
Yeah, they lied to us. So basically, yeah, it's 2 pieces only.
We're such messy eaters today.
And so
That's fucking mine. Eat your own.
So the main important thing in duck meat.
Oh wow, skin. It's just like so.
I know that the best part is the skin
The
of
skin?
the duck.
Really, I don't really usually eat skin. But
I know, neither do I, but duck meat skin is the best.
it's very chewy.
And you can feel the pores. I know that sounds very gross, but like, it's tasty.
It's reminiscent of something like when you eat a squid.
It's like so good.
But it's not. It's, imagine it's. It's like a meaty bubble gum.
Look at this.
Oh wow, really? So you can eat more meat than me?
Okay. The duck,
Very chewy.
the duck isn't that tender.
No,
It's
not at all tender.
It's a bit old.
It's not the melt in your mouth experience.
It's old. You can taste it in the, like, how do I say, the meat. Which makes me a bit disappointed because I was looking forward for the meat, but okay. I would say 2.5 out of 5. Completely for the curry and the skin.
This was the best actually. This actually is better than this. I mean, it goes well with the curry, but it doesn't go well with the meat. The meat you have to enjoy by itself.
Isn't this mine?
After
Oh, in case you're wondering why we eat with our hands,
we're
here's the thing.
savages.
We aren't. Because the hand represents the 5 elements of the earth, the Panchatatra, Kheti, Apa, Teja, Mor, and Vyom. And they're very required for the health. And you might say, it has bacteria! Man, the steel spoons, they're metallic. Tell me it does not have bacteria? Huh. You don't sterilize our cutlery, do you? Now go switch off the camera already. Bye-bye!
Bye. Oh, wait, aren't we forgetting something?
Well,
Oh yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Be sure to tune in next week so we can make more videos. See ya.
and give up lots of love. Okay, a little love will also go.